Alright friends, today we are going to draw a Frankenstein hamster.
And here's a quick preview of how our drawings turned out at the very end.
Yeah, this one turned out really cute.
Yeah, it's a new favorite, like they all are, but we're using our markers to draw and color with, but you can use whatever you have.
Yeah, like colored pencils or even crayons.
You ready to start?
Yes.
Let's first draw our hamster's nose. We're going to draw an oval shape in the middle of our paper about this big. And I'm kind of drawing it towards the top so that we have room for the body. Then we can color that in. Next, let's draw the mouth. We're going to first draw a straight line down, and then we'll draw the letter U on the left and also on the right. Okay, next let's draw the eyes. I'm going to draw an oval shape and a matching oval over here. And then let's color those shapes in too. If we ever go too fast, we always like to remind you can pause the video and take extra time, especially if you want to add extra things too. Okay, now let's draw our hamster's head. We're going to start out on the side of the eye, and we're going to draw a curve coming up and over and then back down. I probably should have drawn that taller, but that's okay. We got the stitches too that we got to add for our hamster. Then we're going to draw the cheeks sticking out and then coming under. And same thing, hamsters have big cheeks, right? Because they like to stick all their food in their storage. Now let's draw the hair, or Frankenstein hair. We're going to draw letter Z, or zigzag line, I mean, going all the way across. Then we can draw the stitches for where the brain goes. We're going to draw a line going across the forehead. And then we could draw two short lines down. I'm going to draw them there and over here. Next, let's draw our hamster's ears. We're going to draw the letters C, kind of a half circle, and another half circle over here. We could also add a short little detail inside of each ear. And then we need to draw the bolts sticking out of the side of our hamster's head. I'm going to draw two short lines going straight out and two matching over here. And then we can draw a line coming down, and we can turn this into a rectangle shape. And we'll do the same thing over here. Line down, rectangle shape. Okay, then let's add whiskers for fun. Now I need to draw our hamster's body. We can draw a big letter U. We're going to start here on the cheek, and we're going to curve around and come up to the other cheek. We could add a little jacket for our hamster's Frankenstein costume. And we could draw the letter L and a backwards letter L on each side. Yeah, okay, next let's draw the arms. We'll first draw the sleeve for the jacket. So we draw, it looks like a sideways letter V, and the same size over here. And then we can draw the letter U for the little paw or hand on each side. And two little finger lines. And then the last thing we need to add is the little feet. So there's a short little line coming out and then curving in. And same over here. And then little toe lines too. I'm going to add two toe lines. We did it! We finished our little Frankenstein hamster. Except we still need to
color it.
Yeah, this part we'll fast forward, so remember to pause the video and take time to color your drawings. You ready to speed things up?
Yes.
All right, we did it. We finished coloring our little hamsters and they turned out awesome. Especially like that we left the little ears natural color.
One part that didn't change.
Yeah. Now you can pause the video to match your same coloring.
Or you can color it any way you want.
Yeah, and you could add different things. I added the ground and also some rocks, but you could draw the whole background.
Yeah, even Dr. Frankenstein.
Yeah, because this is just the monster, so maybe Dr. Frankenstein is actually another hamster or a small little mouse.
We hope you had fun drawing a Frankenstein hamster.
Yeah, and remember, it's okay if your drawings look different than ours. Both of our drawings look a little different, but they both turned out awesome. The most important thing is
To have fun and to practice.
yes, and we'll see you later, our friends.
Goodbye.
Goodbye.